This week, we're continuing to make our way down south for hurricane season. We've already dropped anchor at Terre de Haute, Guadeloupe, and Carriacou. I'm excited for the adventures we'll have at our next destination, as this is where we'll be for about the next 6 weeks. In this episode, I bring you the beginning of our time here on this beautiful, luscious, colorful island of Grenada. Hi y'all, I'm Ashton, and I'm bringing you along on my 4th year of traveling the world after divorce and COVID completely altered what I consider to be a normal life. This season, we're touring all new countries while diving deeper, climbing higher, meeting all new friends, and yet still eating bugs along the way. I can't wait to show you the world through my lens. Subscribe and follow along. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. Hi, Carriacou. Right. 5.5 hours to Grenada.
And we go by Kick of Jenny.
Huh?
We're gonna go by Kick of Jenny.
What is Kick of Jenny? Tell the people.
So, Kick of Jenny is an underwater volcano, and you've got to give it a really wide berth because it puts off all these gases that actually decrease your flotation capability. The whole boat is filled with water. You can get up all those gas bubbles. So,
Yeah, we don't want to put that on the YouTube.
no.
Not our kind of adventure.
No.
It's really flat though. Good morning. We're going on a cruise. There's like 6 of us. Not a cruise, a tour of the island. There's like 6 of us. I don't know how much you'll see, but this is it.
down the hill.
Oh, smell it.
Out here, the beans would take 8 days to be dried. Yeah, but that's 8 days of consistent sunshine.
Right.
Whenever it rains, push the beans back in. If it's wet, it's no good. Mold, moss, rot. They would spoil. For the beans to dry properly, you have to turn them or
So
move them.
if it gets wet, it's ruined.
It's ruined.
Yeah.
It's all gone. Yeah? So for the beans all the way up and all the way back down.
I guess I should actually get the. Why am I getting? I'm getting tan lines on my.
And you can hear, yeah? The alcohol runs through the beans mixed with bacteria. The bacteria breaks down the alcohol into acids, lactic and acetic acid. Those acids get inside the cocoa seed. Bitterness in there. Over here we have some bad. This is a Cracker Rainbow. Hi. Machine. Hello. Rainbow. Hi. Hi, Rainbow. You want a cracker? You want a cracker? What, you want a cracker? Bye. Rainbow. Hi. Hi. Happy birthday. Rainbow. Bye. Bye, Rainbow. Rainbow.
Bye, Rainbow.
Hi. Hi, Rainbow.
Bye. If you enjoyed this episode, it would help me out so much if you'd be sure to give this video a like and make sure you hit that subscribe button to continue following along on the adventure. It also helps others like you find this channel and a few more places to travel on their next adventure.